Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. So I just turned the air conditioner on in the studio, first time of the season. It's making a pretty good rattle. So maybe it'll resolve itself, right? There's a little bit of overgrowth around it I cut back. Maybe it can be fixed. Maybe I need to buy a new one, which may mean I need to find somebody to help me install it, etc., etc. So my mind, I have class in a few minutes, so my mind is absolutely, at the starting line for each of these thoughts, right? Ready to run off and leave me hanging. And so I can't do anything about it right now, right? It's 5:30 in the evening, and if I was to call somebody to fix it or look into it, it wouldn't be till tomorrow morning at the earliest. So, and it's not the end of the world, right? It actually seems to be working, cooling things off inside. So it's a worry that part of me wants to have and get all worked up about and chase down all the different, maybe worst case scenarios. But instead, what I'm going to opt to do is just give my Tàijíquán an opportunity to help me remain present where the worries are not. The worries are about something in the future. So what I'm trying to do here is just let every piece of my Tai Chi, maybe every principle, maybe every move, maybe every section, just do what it can for helping me to remain grounded, present in this moment. And this moment is not the moment that I'm going to do anything about the air conditioner. This is the moment that I, in my case, should, would normally be preparing for my class. So my student finds their, 2-hour drive here, 2.5-hour drive here worth it, right? So when you have a worry that's not an actual house on fire and you're stuck on the train tracks kind of worry, maybe see what your Tai Chi can do for that, and return to the present moment with the help of your Tàijíquán. It's probably ready to help you with that. So thank you. Also, if you know a good air conditioning guy or gal, let me know. Thank you. Oh, by the way, this is the kind of thing that your donations help with, costs like that. Thank you.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. Thank you.